All right, hey guys, I'm here to do a preference assessment with my amazing boyfriend, Drew. Today we're going to call him Little Drewby for these purposes. And so I went ahead and made a data sheet. As you can see, it has 3 trials. So we're going to do, our stimuli is going to have 10 of them in there, and we're going to do 3 trials of it. The preference assessment we're doing today is a multiple stimuli without replacement. Which simply means that I'm going to place these things out here, and once he chooses it once, it won't be replaced. So today we're doing food. I have cashews, chocolate chip muffins, Famous Amos chocolate chip cookies, good old Oreo minis. We have some Cheetos, some grapes, and a candy cane, and then some Apple Jacks. So, if you'll follow along with me, I'm going to start now. You just want to clear everything out of the client's way so they can't be a little grabby. So you just want to make sure, sorry, I'm going to kind of put this down a little bit. You just want to make sure that they're equally placed, so that he has equal spacing between all of them. So we have here, okay, can you see our little Cheetos? Okay, there we go. Okay, all right, so hopefully y'all can hear me, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. This is trial 1, multiple stimuli without replacement. All right, Drew. Today we're gonna look at try some yummy foods to see which ones you like. All right, so pick one. Awesome. You can eat it. And he is actually eating this stuff, just so you know. Sorry, I can't actually put it up to where we can see everything. I'd rather you see the foods than me talking. All right. So if y'all didn't see, he chose the Oreo mini first. So you just want to write that down while he's consuming it. Pick one. All right. So in this one, he chose the Famous Amos chocolate chip cookie. Awesome. You just want to make sure you give him a minute to consume, or he or she. Pick one. Awesome. And that one, he chose the Apple Jack cereal. And while I'm doing this, I'm also I'm kind of staying neutral. You don't want to give any kind of bias reinforcement during this, because you're just trying to look and see what the client's preferences are, not what your preferences are. Pick one. This one, he chose the Cheeto. All right. And also you want to make sure you switch up the placement of the items to make sure you're not getting a bias choice. Pick one. Awesome. Pick one. Oh, and the one before this one, he chose the grape, and this one he chose a York peppermint patty. Pick one. Here he chose a candy cane. Also, I didn't introduce all the foods. We also had a York peppermint patty. and Cheez-Its as the preference stimuli. Pick one. There, he chose a cashew. Pick one. Right, and here he chose the chocolate chip muffin, and so the last one left was the Cheez-It. And in that case, you don't really have to present it, or I think you do actually. But you just know that that was the last one that he chose, so you can't really present it since it wouldn't be a multiple stimuli. So that is trial 1 of multiple stimuli without replacement. Trial 2, I'll go back and introduce all the stimuli that was done.